Do you remember the version of you that used to dream without limits? Before the bills, before the self-doubt, before life got noisy, that your voice got lost in the background. That version of you is still there. And guess what? It's not too late.
It's not too late. Click the link below at sarahkaraoke.net. We help everyday people rediscover that dream and turn it into a real sustainable online digital business. You don't have to be perfect. You don't have to know everything. You just have to believe that more is possible. And we'll meet you right there with tools, mentorship, and a proven system designed to fit your life.
Imagine this, you waking up excited, not exhausted. You work from anywhere with purpose. You finally get paid something that feels right and fuels your passion. You build your brand that reflects you, your story, your heart, your journey.
Sounds like a fantasy? It's not. Thousands of people are doing it, and so can you. The dream didn't die, it just needs a little help waking up. Start by joining our free workshop to learn more. Step by step, create an online digital business with structure and community support without overwhelm. You all owe it to yourself to try.
Click the link below at sarahkaraoke.net. The biggest regret isn't failing, it's never starting. This is your permission slip, your open door, your comeback, and it begins now.
Click the link.